In this lesson, we learn how to define an activity in schedule of rates. Through SOR activity process, we can determine the unit rate of an activity, including the material, labor, equipment, services, overheads, etc.
Select SOR activity from process. Select the SOR for which the activities are to be defined. Click here to open a new record. Select the SOR activity group. Select the SOR activity. Select the Material tab. Click on Add Material to add material details. Select the material group and material. Select the required material and rate. Click OK. Enter the quantity coefficient for the material. Similarly, enter the required materials and details for this activity. Select the Labor tab. Click on Add Labor to add labor details. Select the labor group. Select the required labors and click OK. Enter the quantity coefficient for the labor. Select the Services tab. Click on Add Service to add service details. Select the service group. Select the required service and click OK. Enter the quantity coefficient for the service. Select the Overheads tab. Click on Add Overhead Group to add overhead group. Select the overhead groups and click OK. Select the value based and enter the overhead value in base currency. Select the Class C tab. Click on Add Class C Material Group to add material group. Select the material groups and click OK. Enter the percentage on material. Enter the subcontract rate, in-house flat rate, and profit percentage. Click on Save to save the record.
You have just learned how to define an activity in cost engineering. Thank you and have a nice day.